Hello, everyone. Welcome to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's continue our work. So last time we first tried to make the Lindenmayer system, and we implemented Lindenmayer code generator and its implementer. Yeah, right? The drawer to draw Lindenmayer system. So using those, we first try the Koch curve like this, level 0, level 1, level 2, and then drew Koch snowflake. So the point is, when we have like this, f plus and minus minus f and plus f. Such that this is what we drew last time. So starting from here, for example, instead of this, we will write just one curve, which is interpreted as this. Okay, if we run it, we can have Koch curve as this. If we want, of course, we can enlarge it a bit like this, and see how it looks like for d equals, say, 1. Say d equals 3. Okay? So today we're going to draw Koch curve, variation of Koch curves and other curves. So modify the Koch and Lévy curve using LSYS. Okay? So let's see how we can draw variation of Koch curve. For example, Cesaro curve. Um, we can change in Koch curve, the base angle was 60 degrees. So let's see what happens if we change it to 80 instead of 60. That's quite simple, okay? By just changing the angle instead of 60 to say 80. Let's see how it looks like. Let's see. Let's save it as EL128 Koch variation else's. Okay, so here we have 80 instead of 60. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is our familiar Cesaro curve with a base angle of 80 instead of 60. So this interesting part is here, the only one curve is okay because the top angle here, okay, here, that this angle is automatically double the base angle. Okay, if this is 80, this should be twice 80, which is 160, and it automatically draws something like this. Of course, if you increase d to 4, we have more complicated Cesaro curve like this. Okay, so you can try other variations with different base angles. Okay, what's next? So next is square Koch curve. So um, instead of triangle, we can draw square case. Okay, that's that's also possible. Okay, as you know, this is something like this. If I draw this, as we know, this is something like this instead of a triangle. So let's try that. So here we change the angle to 90, and then we should change the rule. Okay, so it's something like f plus, yeah, we can keep it, and so so if you see it, it will be f plus f plus. So it will be like f plus um, f minus f plus f minus f um, minus f plus f. Is it correct? Let's try to see how it looks like for d equals 1. Okay? Okay, this is what we want. So this is the case of level 0, level 2, so notice that we don't touch anything for generator and drawer, just changing the angle and rules. Okay? It will be like this. Okay. This is, yeah, this is familiar to us, right? This is, so for example, we can try this by connecting 4 of them by changing 4 degrees each time. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, this is, maybe this should be minus instead of plus. And also, we might want to change the sides a little bit or change the starting point. And let's see how it looks like for level 3. Yeah, this is familiar to us. Okay, this is square Koch curve. Yeah, we are familiar. This is familiar to us. Square snowflake. Okay. Or we can try slightly modify the rewriting rule for the square geometry. We can have bigger uh, flat space like this. Okay, twice the size. So, for example, that one can be drawn by f minus minus ff here. For the third one, we have ff here. Let's see how it looks like for, say, single f and level of, say, 3. Okay, yeah, this is interesting too. So we can try this for, let's see how it looks like for level 1. Level 1, it's this. Okay. So level 2, level 3, you can try and see. Okay. So this is a bit different. So for level 5, and for if we connect 4 of them in all together, this is another interesting type. Yeah, it's very big. Or we can have only 2 of them. Okay, yeah. So this is another interesting type to see how it looks like. Yeah, maybe a little smaller than this. 30 to have the big picture. Or, yeah, instead of plus, we can try minus at each corners. It will be like this. Yeah, okay. A little ugly. So, okay, you can see, anyway, yeah, this is another variation you can try if you want. Okay, what's next? So, Lévy curve. I hope you remember what Lévy curve. So instead of this, we have Lévy curve, which is exactly like this. Okay, at 90 degrees here, 45 degrees here, base case, 45, and 90 at the top. So remove the straight base segments from here. So can you try this? Yeah, please try and draw it yourself to see. Anyway, so we have another rule. So this is square, no. This is square Koch. This is Lévy, no, Cesaro. And then we have the next one, which is Lévy. So Lévy is quite simple, right? plus 45, f, minus 40, 45, and f. And lastly, plus. So this will be no f here, plus f, minus minus, f, and plus. And that's all. Yeah, this is Lévy. Okay, very simple. Let's see how it looks like for level 1. Too small. We can change it to 100. By the way, we don't like this. Instead of 90, we have to change it to 45. Okay? Yeah. Each unit is 45. Sorry. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is level 1. We can change it to 200. Level 2. Good. This is a familiar one. Level 4. Okay. Level 5 or 6. This is interesting. We can enlarge a bit, or we can reduce this to 1.5 to see how it looks like. Okay. So here again, we can connect two Lévy curves by connecting, two curves by turning 180 degrees between the two, upper side and downside. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, F. This will make two Lévy curves connected, combined, upside and downside. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, yeah, this is what we have. What we can have as Lévy curve. Let's change it to, say, 8. We have a little more interesting shape. Okay? We can also have 10. And this is Lévy curve. Beautiful. Okay, we tried Lévy curve with L system, the same encoder and the same drawer. Okay, next, we can, instead of connecting two curves, we can try connecting 4 curves, which, so in that case, F turn 90 degrees, turn 90 degrees each time, and connect 4 Lévy curves. That will produce another type, very interesting shape like this. Okay, I hope you like this too, or try yourself. Okay, so now we are ready to go on to the next topic, which is dragon curve. Yes, you know what. We will do that next time, so please be sure to come back. Bye bye.